Hello and welcome to Sam's Veggie Kitchen. Today I will be showing you how to make a very simple paneer butter masala recipe. Let's look at the ingredients needed for the paneer butter masala. So I've taken 250 grams of diced paneer, 2 tomatoes, a roughly sliced onion, that's 1 onion, 2 tablespoons of butter. And coming to the spices, I have garam masala powder, that's half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, red chili powder and turmeric powder. I have fresh cream or malai and kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves powder for garnishing and salt to taste. So first, heat a pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter, once hot, once the butter is all melted, you can add onions, I've just sliced the onions, doesn't have to be finely chopped because we're going to grind the onion and tomato paste, the onion and tomato masala. Add a little bit of salt, that way onions cook faster. Onions are slightly brown. I'm going to add tomatoes. A little more salt so that the tomatoes and onions cook quickly. Add about 2 tablespoons of water. Cover with the lid and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. So once the onions and tomatoes are softened, I'm going to add the spices. Start with turmeric powder, garam masala and red chili powder. At this point you can add about 10 cashews. But I'm not going to add cashews today. I'm going to use malai. I'm going to add a little bit water. That way the masala doesn't stick to the bottom. Check for salt at this point and add if needed. 1 more minute so the spices are mixed well. So once the masalas are cooked, it looks something like this. So let it cool. Once it is cool, we're going to blend it into a smooth paste and then add the paneer to it. So while the mixture is cooling, I'm going to prepare my paneer. Pan roast the paneer. You can this step is optional. I like the paneer toasted on a pan like this and add it to the paneer dish. So just place the paneer cubes. Making paneer straight out of the fridge, one tip here, one useful tip before making the paneer dish is to put the paneer cubes in warm to hot water for about 5 or 10 minutes, that way it is soft. So whenever you're pan frying items like paneer, tofu, use a heavy bottomed skillet like cast iron skillet, that way there is uniform heating. I've linked the skillet that I'm using in the description box. So the tomato onion mixture has cooled. I'm going to put it in a blender and blend it to a fine paste. I've ground the onion tomato mixture to a fine paste like this. I'm going to be adding it to the pan. Once the ground paste is added, You don't have to cook it for a long time. Just let it boil, bring it to a gentle boil, and add the paneer pieces. Finally, add some cream. I'm using 2 tablespoons of cream. And top it off with kasuri methi. I hope you enjoyed this easy recipe. Do give it a try. Do subscribe to my channel and feel free to leave your comments, and do not forget to hit the bell icon. Until the next video, keep cooking along and singing your song.